There's been a lot of volcanic activity in 2018. Mount Mayon in the Philippines erupted in January. It continued for over a month.
The Philippines is one of the world's most disaster-prone countries. Islands are regularly impacted by floods, typhoons, landslides, earthquakes, volcanoes, and droughts. The Philippines lies along the Pacific Ring of Fire, which causes the country to have frequent seismic and volcanic activity. Things to keep in mind when disaster strikes. Listen to the news on the radio or watch television about the coming disaster. When notified by the authorities, evacuate immediately with an emergency kit. Teach family members where and how to turn off electricity, gas, and water supplies. Find out emergency exits, the easiest way to get there. Implement what was learned from the earthquake drill, fire drill, rescue operations, and disaster management seminar. Coronavirus safety measures. Number 1. Wear face mask, face shield before going out. Number 2. Bring your own personal hygiene kit. Use alcohol every time you touch a surface. Number 3. Wash hands at least 20 seconds. Number 4. Undergo thermal scanning. Number 5. Keep a safe distance. Number 6. Increase ventilation by opening a window. By following these simple steps, we can prevent or otherwise limit the potential damage to life and property. Let us work together to save lives.